Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad, this is my channel Animate Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news, Metal Earth has released pictures of the upcoming Loony Tunes Metal Earth models. They've released pictures of Bugs Bunny, Sylvester the Cat, Porky Pig, Yosemite Sam, and Marvin the Martian. And I personally am very excited about Marvin the Martian, and I've noticed that several people on Instagram seem to be most excited about him as well. They're a bit different looking than the usual Legends models because, well, they're Looney Tunes, but to me they look like they're a little more appropriate for that style of model. So I'm looking forward to it. They'll be neat, simple little models to build. If you're getting into the Metal Earth models, they'll be great to start with. If you're very experienced, they might be a little bit simpler if you like the challenge, but, you know, cool, new stuff coming out. As for the new Star Wars models, still no date set yet when they're coming out, but with the movie coming very soon, I imagine it will not be much longer before the new Star Wars models are up for sale. Now, new from Piececool, I checked out their website recently, and they have a very new model listed up, Crescent Blade. It is a very rather cool looking silver and yellow futuristic model armor suit sort of robotic thing. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's very cool looking. It's very Piececool. Looks to be rather large, not really large, but maybe about the size of the Black Knight that I've already built. That's really cool. I think on the website it says it's going to be available on the 25th of this month. Now, whether or not, when it'll be available for sale online, that other countries such as the US can get it, like on, say, Aliexpress, I can't say with any certainty, but perhaps within the next month or two that will be available. That's a very cool looking new model coming available. I like to talk about other 3D metal models that are available when I do these weekly news things. I've talked about Piececool and Tenyo, I've talked about MU, and this week I'm going to talk a little bit about HK, or HK Nyanyan. I honestly don't know how to properly say it. And I've seen HK and I've seen Nyanyan, and I've seen them both together, I've seen them separately, but it's a line of models that you can easily find on Aliexpress, and I'll show you a list of some of the ones I found. They have a lot of unique models, along the same lines of what Metal Earth has been doing. They have their own line of tanks, planes, military guns, ships. Most of it seems to be unique. I did notice an A-10, looks like an A-10 Warthog in there. Whether or not they did it first and Metal Earth did it first, I can't say. But it seems like most of their stuff is unique, and it doesn't just end there. There's also cars, motorcycles, buildings, monster truck, construction equipment. They have quite a long line. I do have one of their models, or one HK model that I'll be getting to fairly soon. You may have seen it in the upcoming What's Coming Soon video that I put out very recently. It's sort of this German motorcycle track tank sort of combo thing. Don't know a lot about it. I'll be doing some research on that soon. But on that package is a website, and it does, when it comes up, because it doesn't always want to come up from here in the States, and that probably has something to do with it being in another country. I'm not exactly certain, but it's come up with a big list of many different fairly unique things, and some what may be copycat or at least similar, same things that you can get through Metal Earth and other companies. Exactly where that stands on who came first and who has copyrights, I don't know. It differs by country. So I don't know so much information about them because that website's difficult to get to and I can't read much on it, and I don't know that it exactly covers if HK is just one distributed in several different ways through different companies, and that's why you sometimes see different names associated with it. I'm not exactly sure. But they have an interesting line of models available on AliExpress to check out, and I'll put some links to some of that stuff in the description down below. And that's what's going on this week in 3D metal model news. Today is May the 4th, so May the 4th be with you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, as they used to say, for more news coming up in the future. And you can always follow me on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter to see more news as it becomes available. As always, thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.